one of the main issues which was raised by the organizing committee and most of the office bearers of the organizing committee was about timing. We are in the midst of an election code. I think it is a serious issue and we should abide by the timing. We will not be able to support any violation of this timing of the code. We aim at starting at 4:30 sharp and ending as per the timing given allotted by the administration at 10 p.m. Ask people to take utmost precaution. Precautions and advisories have been issued by the Health Ministry. I think precautions which have been disseminated to people have to be taken care of. Traffic diversion route has been decided by the traffic police. Since the route is curtailed this time, I think the parade route is shortened by almost 1 kilometer.
कोला आयलंडाकडे फ्लोट्स परेड स्टार्ट जातली आनी ती 18 जून रोडा वयल्यान येतली आनी मागीर काफ्या आरामा कडेन ती लेफ्ट टर्न मारून आझाद मैदाना कडेन ती काबार येता. तिचे खंयच्याच रस्त्यार कोणाकूच त्रास जावपाची शक्यता ना, कारण हो इंटरनल रोड आनी ह्या इंटरनल रोडाचेर व्हडलेशें ट्राफीक कमी आसता.